Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project and focusing the project panel. Set columns to media type and usage so you can see clip usage counts. Once done, filter for unused clips or sort by used column because this reveals candidates for deletion fast. Make sure to stop automatic relinking, otherwise you'll lose track. Now select suspicious items and mark them mentally. You'll remove them in the next phase to avoid deleting needed media unintentionally. You run Find Unused and move the results into a temporary bin so nothing is deleted accidentally. This consolidates candidates for review. Once in a bin, scrub through thumbnails or open individual clips in Source Monitor to confirm they're truly unused and not referenced by sequences, subclips, or nested items. Make sure to check sequences with disabled tracks. Occasionally clips are hidden. After verification, proceed to remove unused or delete selected. Knowing you delete the verified unused clips using Remove Unused or Delete Selected, and then empty the media cache to actually free disk space. This ensures performance benefits. Once finished, save a new project version so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, like a clip shows offline in a sequence, stop and use the temporary bin or your backup to relink or restore. Make sure to check autosave versions first, because relinking is often faster than reconstructing edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.